Are you looking for a simple way to make $100 a day online, even if you're just getting started? In this video, I'll show you proven methods to help you earn daily income from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. Method 1. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. Offer simple services like writing, logo design, or voiceovers. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and 11 Labs to speed up your work. Start by offering competitive prices and build your reputation. Many freelancers make $100 plus per day once they have regular clients. Method 2. Selling digital products. You can create digital products once and sell them forever. Use Canva to design templates, planners, or ebooks. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Promote your products through TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Digital products have high profit margins with no shipping or inventory. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Choose a niche like tech, fitness, or finance. Use YouTube, TikTok, or a blog to recommend products. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Share a Sale. With consistent traffic, you can easily make $100 per day or more. Method 4. Print on demand. Start an online store without holding inventory. Use sites like Printful or Teespring. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using Midjourney or Canva. When someone buys, the platform prints and ships for you. All you need is great designs and marketing. Method 5. YouTube Shorts with AI. You don't even need to appear on camera. Use AI tools like Mutaion to generate videos. Focus on trending topics, motivation, finance, tech, etc. Monetize with YouTube ads and affiliate links. With daily uploads, your channel can grow fast and bring daily income. All of these methods are beginner-friendly and scalable. Start with one, stay consistent, and grow over time. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more online income tips.